Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the dictionary functions. Length, counting of number of elements and what is the maximum value, minimum value, summation value and the mean value. But remember it only work with the keys only, not with the values. So what it means? Let me show you the code. So let me open the Jupyter notebook. Please wait. Yeah, here it is. Length. Just take one example. Dict1 is equal to 1101 means Python, 1102 means Java, 1103 means C++, 1104 means Ruby. Let's count how many elements are there. Print of, len of, dict1. See here, total 4 elements. So it will count only the keys, not the values. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take if a key is any duplicate is there. Maybe I am taking 1101 is equal to .NET. Let's take. So the property of the dictionary is key can't be duplicate. So if in case any duplicate is there, then it is a countable element or not. Just execute only 4 only. So it won't allow the duplicates. Key can't be duplicate. Let me take the same example. Let's find the, just remove the duplicate here. What is the maximum value here? So max of. The maximum value is 1104. So it means all functions will work only on the keys, not with the values. Let me take one example. Here it is a numerical number, that's why it's print like a 1104. Let's take the key in the string format. Maybe dict2 is equal to name Charan, age 10, location Bangalore. Print of max of dict2. Yeah, here you can see it is a string form, but I haven't defined it in the single quotes, that's why. Now you can see what is the maximum value here? Name. So it follows the ASCII2 table. ASCII table, it will follow it. There every character has a numerical number. So always the smallest, the small letters have the high priority. So ASCII table follows like a priority based. Low priority always has the spaces, special characters, and you have like a comparison operators. And but in the high priority is the lowercase letters. That's why name. So if any with the same number, just take what will happen if I am having like a number 100. So you can see the first letter is this both are the lowercase letters in this scenario. Which is the maximum number? Why? Because you can see first it will compare the first character, both are same, then it will start the comparison of the second letter. So U is the highest, that's why it printed as a number. So what is the minimum? Just take this, I don't want to write again. Just change the function here, min of. What is the minimum value? 1101. Same you can take it in the string character. Let's take here. What is the minimum value? Age. A is the minimum. So what will happen if you have a mix of keys? That means a string and integer. All these functions will work or not? Let me explain one example. Just take this one. And here I have some integer numbers, the key 1101 and age also 1102. Now you can see some keys are it is in the integer form, and from here the keys are it is in the string form. In this scenario it will find the minimum or not, minimum or maximum. You can see it won't support it between the instances of the string and number. So it won't work. If you want to work the functions, all minimum, maximum, summation, mean and all keys, either it is in the string form or it is in the integer or float form. If you have the mix, it won't work. Next, summation value. Let's take the example here. If you want to do the summation calculation, your keys all will be in the form of integer or float. So sum of, you can see. If you want to do the mean calculation, you can see the sum of dict1 divided by len of dict1. Output is, this is the average value. What will happen if you have the duplicate key 1104? It is about the something like Harsha. You can see here. It won't change anything because string the dictionary properties key can't be duplicate. If you have the duplicate keys, it will consider only one. That's why the number of elements here, it is only 4. It is not 5. That's why the average value won't be changed. So these are the functions in dictionary. It will work only with the keys, not with the values. And in next video, I am going to explain about the dictionary methods. So please follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in next video.